In this video, I'm going to show you how to send the PayPal link for payments. So basically, you'll have to log in into your PayPal account. As an example now, if you go and click on like hero request, you'll be able to request from a specific person, but we would like to just have a link. So in order to do that, just go and open a new tab and go to paypal.me. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So you'll be able to click on create your link. And of course you can, as an example, for me, you already got a link, but it's fine. As you can see, there's my link, but you can go and click on manage. And here an example for you, you will be able to just simply click on one option and it will be create a link, and they will give you basically a link like that. And you can go and click on copy link and share it with a lot of people. Of course, you can simply just adjust a lot of things like the username, location, about you, profile status, like anyone who can see and send money to your PayPal or not anyone. It's totally up to you. And once you finish, you will get your link and you'll be able to use it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.